Good day everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how you can change your background image, how you can change your header type, and how you can select a theme for your website here in Google Sites. Now do not worry if you're not familiar with the whole interface of Google Sites. If you are not proficient with using this software, you're a beginner or even a first timer, as I will be here to guide you and show you the step-by-step tutorial on how you can do those things. Now for background, for those of you who don't know, Google Sites is a free web-based tool for creating websites, ideal for both personal and professional use. So yes, you do not need to download anything nor pay for anything when it comes to using this website. Now before starting with anything else, I want you to make sure that the browser you are using is completely up to date. And this is so that we will not encounter any errors along the way of doing those things. Now, let us begin with inserting a background image for our header right here. All you have to do is to select the block right here, which contains your header, and clicking on image. Now click on upload, which will open up this directory from your computer. And from here, you want to select the image that you would like to upload on your website. Click on open. And now as you can see, we have successfully uploaded a background image for our website. Now you can choose the header type by clicking on this icon right over here, in which you have the cover, like so, in which it has the full image. You can choose for large banner, a banner, which is a smaller version of this large banner. And you can also choose to remove the image, which is the title only, like so. In most case scenario, I would like to go for the banner. It's just a self-preference, but it looks way more appealing and eye-pleasing this way. Now, let us now move forward to selecting the themes. So how can you select the themes here in Google Sites? It's actually quite simple. All you have to do is to head over on the right sidebar of your screen, which is located here. And from here, as you can see, we got the themes tab right here. From here, you can create your custom one, like so, which we will discuss later on. You can import a theme, or you can choose directly from the available themes right here in Google Sites. Now let's say for instance, I would like this one. I would just click on it, and as you can see, it changes depending on the theme that we select. The font formatting and everything, it changes depending on the theme that we select. And if I reset my header, it actually changes the background as well depending on the theme that you select on the right sidebar, like so. As simple as that. You can create your own custom background image, you can change your header type, and you can select your theme here in Google Sites. Now if you learned something in this video, please consider subscribing and dropping a like, and comment down below your suggestions on what you would like to see from us next. And I'll take it from here guys. See you guys next time, and thank you for watching.